Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix NBA 2K25 MyTEAM crashing on Android. So, in this case, how do you fix this? So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to guarantee a few things here. So first is you want to guarantee that you have a stable internet connection. Now, if your internet connection is kind of fluctuating, so you might want to switch over to a different connection. So for example, if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you could go ahead and try using your mobile data. So in this case, I'm using my Wi-Fi here. You could go and switch over to your mobile data, or vice versa. If you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if that solves your issue, then most likely the problem is going to be your internet connectivity. Now, in this case, if none of those or that doesn't work, the next thing you could do here is to basically clear your cache for NBA 2K25 MyTEAM. So in this case, you want to go and press and hold on the app, click on the eye icon, and from here, you want to go and click on clear all data at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, what we need to do is we need to select the option that says clear cache. Now, in this case, in some cases, for depending on your device, you might need to go to your storage first before you could actually click on the clear cache here. So in this case, as you can see, I already cleared my cache here, but don't select the clear all data option. Look for clear data here and choose the option that says clear cache. But if you don't see clear cache here, you're already good. So it means that your cache is already cleared. Now, what you need to do next is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. Sometimes if you don't have the latest version, because sometimes other devices might not update your apps immediately, so I suggest you to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go ahead and search for NBA 2K25. And from here, you need to make sure that you have the latest version. Now, if you do see any update button on it, go ahead and click on the update button and make sure to complete the process. Now, once you've done that, you can go and restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe, but see you later. Thank you for watching.